Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we're doing a yoga flow for all ages. So it doesn't matter where your age falls on the spectrum. I wanted to create a beginner-friendly practice that is intentional, meaningful, and will help bring ease into your body anywhere at any time. So let me know what you think of this practice, and also feel free to leave some suggestions for future practices. Let's get into the flow. Let's begin this practice in a butterfly pose, bringing the bottoms of the feet together, interlacing the fingers underneath the feet, and the thumbs come on top of the big toes. Once here, allowing the shoulders to externally rotate, maybe flapping the knees like butterfly wings. Exhale as the chin moves towards the chest, and as you inhale, the chin moves back. And reverse. Inhale, pulling on the bottoms of the feet, sending the top of the head back and the chest forward. And exhale, fold, bringing the chin to the chest and curling your spine. You can bring the elbows to the insides of the thighs for support. Just allowing the top of the head to hang heavy towards the surface. And inhale, gently rolling back into a neutral spine. You can come into a seat of your choice. I'm going to choose to sit on the heels, or you can come into a crisscross position. Bringing the hands behind the head, interlacing the fingers. We're going to create circles with the shoulders. As you inhale, bringing the top of the head back and the chest forward. And as you exhale, curling the spine. Making any adjustments that you may need to make. And reversing. Tucking the chin in towards the chest, curling the spine forward. And inhale, bringing the arms above the shoulders. You can allow the chin to fall back. As you exhale, bringing the left arm to the side of you. The right arm is going to reach over the body. Bring your eyes towards the right palm or the right elbow. And release. Doing the same thing on the other side, bringing the right arm out to the side. The left arm comes over the body as you reach. And exhale, lower, moving the shoulders back. Moving them forward. Bringing the arms above the shoulders once more. Bringing the left arm behind you. The right hand comes to the outside of the left knee as you gently press and twist. Bringing your gaze over the left shoulder. Inhale, coming back to center. Bringing the arms above the shoulders once more. Exhale, bringing the right hand behind you. The left comes to the outside of the right knee as you press and twist. Being gentle with your spine. Looking over your right shoulder this time. And inhale, coming back to center. Interlacing the fingers, bringing the fingers underneath the jaw. As you inhale, you're going to bring the elbows up, extend, and as you exhale, pressing the elbows together as you bring the top of the head back. Inhale, elbows up, looking forward. Exhale, opening up the throat as if you're fogging up a mirror. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lowering the hands, bringing the chin towards the chest. Maybe slightly moving the neck, the shoulders. You can also do a little dance. Feeling what you need to feel throughout your body. And we're going to come onto our backs. Stretching the legs out in front of us. Allowing the toes to fall outward, the palms to face the sky as you just relax. Breathing through the center of the stomach. Exhaling all of your worries, all the stress that you're holding on to that no longer serves you. Inhaling joy, pleasure, peace. Allowing the jaw and the tongue to completely relax. Allowing the toes and the fingertips to relax. Also bringing ease into the eyes. Maybe visualizing a place or a color that brings you the most ease. And inhale, bringing the knees in towards the chest, keeping the spine flat by keeping the base of the spine on the earth. Maybe slightly tucking the chin towards the chest to create that flat spine. You can flex the toes or just allow them to loosen. Hugging yourself tighter. Thanking yourself for being here. Loving on yourself, no matter what you may be going through. Reminding yourself that you are enough. Your existence is felt, it's needed, and you are deserving. And also slightly rock from left to right, just very small, gentle rocks. You can grip onto the outsides of the feet and come into happy baby, bringing the elbows to the insides of the knees. You can keep the base of the spine flat and make any adjustments or modifications that you may need to make here. Pulling the feet outward. Inhale, looking forward. And as you exhale, release, bringing the bottoms of the feet together, lowering down. You can come into Shavasana and also lie on your back, or you can windshield wipe the knees from left to right. Also feel free to stretch the arms above the shoulders. You can rotate the wrists as if you just woke up in the morning. And we're going to rock on either side of the body, stacking the knees. You can rest on the hands or on the elbows. Take a moment for yourself here to relax, to be with the body, be with the breath. Taking deep inhales through the nose and exhales out of the mouth. You can take the next 5 to 10 minutes to flow however you would like. Some suggested poses are forward folds. You can do some hip openers, such as frog, come into a squat. You can also lie on your back in Shavasana and make your way into shoulder stand or bridge, just finding play within your practice. I'm going to suggest another video for you to continue flowing. And you can remain here for as long as you like. Now, whenever you're ready, pressing the top palm into the surface and gently walking the body up. Feel free to rotate the neck, the shoulders. You can also do some slight twisting. And coming into a comfortable seat or lying in Shavasana. You can bring one hand underneath the other, resting it on the tops of the feet. You can also bring the thumbs and the index finger together. Or feel free to bring one hand on the heart and one on the solar plexus located right above the belly button. Once here, taking a deep, meaningful inhale through the nose. Exhaling out of the mouth or the nose. Inhale. Exhale, release. One deep inhale. Exhale. An even deeper inhale this time. And a deeper exhale. Thank you so much for showing up and for allowing me to guide you and just being here in this space and trusting me to guide you through this practice. Until we flow again, namaste.